beautiful view. I'll put him on the leash. Wait, let me take a picture.
It's Boone for you.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see if we can see campus in the football stadium here. Alright. Here is campus. Down there. Let's see if we can get down a little closer. Alright. Here we go. Here's a better view. Alright, welcome to Boone, y'all. Pretty day. And I don't know if y'all can see that, but down there is the football stadium in this right corner. Looking pretty big, and there's campus. Pretty sweet.